Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Great Money app to save with what using. The Great Money app is a financial tool designed to provide users with a quick access to cash advance, credit building, opportunity, and check back enhancement. For a monthly subscription fee of $10, users can access features like interest-free cash advance up to $200, early access to tax refund through the Pay Boost, and a credit building loans. The app doesn't require credit check, make it accessible to a broader audience. However, users should be aware of potential issues such as limited customer support and the challenges in canceling subscription. Grant Money offer a convenient solution for those needing a short-term financial assistance without the burden of interest or credit check. Its additional features like pay boost and credit building loan add value to the subscription. However, potential users should exercise caution, ensuring they understand the terms and prepare to manage the subscription proactively to avoid unexpected charge or difficulties in cancellation. And that's it.